Hey guys and girls, today you join me from sunny Stamford because I'm on the way to Leicester, where there is an alleged car meet on. Michael's probably already there with his friend, so now I'm just driving well, to meet them there basically, and do a bit of vlogging there and show you some of the cars that are there. In other news, I hate traffic lights, like seriously. Finally we are green. I know roughly where I'm going, but well, I hope I know where I'm going because I can't use my phone as a sat-nav because I'm currently talking to you. I'm sure that'll be fine, you know. Michael's not vlogging his drive there because famously his sense of direction prevents him from doing so. Well, I'm here at the meet now with Michael and Matthew. Hello. And I made it here. But yeah, there's quite a few things here. Super. I like the purple wheel nuts. I just like purple. See there. But there's quite a lot to get through, so we won't do the shoe test. It passed the shoe test. Let's go and have a gander, and then we're going to go and get something to eat because I'm quite hungry.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
Do you want to start over there and I'll start over there?
Can do. We will. We'll be back shortly after we've shown you what's here. So yeah.
Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for
just witnessed a an R32 GTR revving the tits off it, and like it was absolutely blinding. It was amazing.
So hold it down, we gon' have a blast, cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, we going come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right, it feels
right. Okay, I'm trying to find Michael now. Oh, he's over there. Found him. Hello. Yeah, I got quite a lot.
Well, all of these?
Well, not everything, but like I got the majority of it down here and places.
I got a small bit.
Yeah.
I've got most of it here.
Yeah, I got
not much.
a few. Yeah. So I've not done everything because otherwise we'll be here forever. Not all of it.
Most of this bit.
Most of this bit, yeah.
So you've covered this bit.
Pretty much.
And down here.
I've covered the bits that are interesting when I was there. No, not yet.
You ain't got the interesting stuff then. Go
No, I
get
have the interesting stuff here.
Well, I'm going to finish your job.
That's fine.
Finish your job.
Sake.
a doubt. Felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.
Okay then guys, well I'm home now. That was quite a good day out, wasn't that? That R32 GTR just blew me away. But yeah, I'm just going to chill out for the rest of the night, probably start editing. Michael's not here, he's gone back to his friend's house now, so it's just me. So hope you enjoyed the vlog, and we'll see you next time. Bye!